Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. I hope you are enjoying this quite a comprehensive course series on particularly SQL injection. So let's move ahead and see what we have got for you. So there will be a little surprise in this series. Let me first of all close this terminal from the last video. And what we have here is lesson 23 zip. That's all. You have to figure it out yourself what is out there in this lesson, how you can inject in this lesson. It's really based on the last video that we have seen. So if you're not comfortable with the last video, go watch it again, go watch it again, go watch it again. So as many times as you wish, you just watch it out and then come back onto this video, practice it. And the hint is really simple. This time, okay, so I'm not going to give you a hint, but just don't peek into the source code. Just try to give it a hit without any kind of hits and on kinds of hints and everything like that. So just make sure you crack out this lesson. Of course, I will not be posting any kind of solution for this challenge because it's just a pretty simple, straightforward one. And if I'll post the solution, the next students which are enrolling out there in the next sessions are going to take advantage of that particular. And again, this will be a no challenge for this lesson. So make sure that you crack this lessons out and drop me an email after that. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.